Hi guys, welcome to another Rocket Cake tutorial. In this one we will look at the basics of responsive website editing. A few weeks ago Glenn wrote me, as I am building my website for desktop optimization, it doesn't look all that great when I change the view to say iPhone. Is there a way to have the program optimize for both formats? The short answer is yes, and in this tutorial we will see how. First of all, Rocket Cake is a responsive website editor, and responsive means that it can create websites that look good whether the view of the website is wide or narrow. Let's drag and drop a container on the work area, and the size of this container by default is 100% wide. Of course we can change it any way we like, but 100% is good for us now. Let's bring in an image. This one's nice, and when we drag and drop images on our work area, by default Rocket Cake gives it the size 50%. Now I can change that, and I can say let this be 800 pixels. So this picture has a fixed width, which means that whatever I do, it will remain 800% wide. And if the view is narrower than 800 pixels, then we cannot even see the whole picture. So the first solution of responsiveness to the different views is that it doesn't use fixed width for the elements of the website, but ratios. So this 50% is good for us. Let's bring in another container. Let's make this also 50% wide. Let's insert some lorem ipsum text here. Let's preview it. Both look okay. And as the view is narrower and narrower, what happens is that the picture gets too small, the lines of the text get too short. We can see it in Rocket Cake also. So when we change the view here, like Sony Xperia or an iPhone, small picture, short lines. For that, the responsive website editors have another solution, which is breakpoints. Let's right click on the picture, and in this roll down menu let's choose edit breakpoints. Here there is this plus side, we can add a breakpoint here, and by default Rocket Cake offers 640. So when the view is smaller than 640, let's click OK. Here we are, when the view is smaller than 640 pixels. Let's click Add. And it brings up a list And in our case, let's click on width. We remember that the width of the picture is 50%, but we change that. And so when the view is smaller than 640 pixels, let the width be 100%. Let's see it. We are getting close to 640. Let's see what happens. This happens. Let's do the same with the text also. I did breakpoints at 640 width. And let's change 100%. So this is what happens. That's good. So by using ratios and breakpoints, we can make our websites look good on wide views and like desktop monitors, and in small views or narrow views like on iPhones and small tablets. On the right side in the toolset, the third from the top is container with columns. And well, let's have 6 columns. Let's copy and paste the picture here. Let's center that and let the size be 80%. Let's copy it. So on a desktop, a page can look like that. We can have several items right next to each other horizontally. But as we have a smaller and smaller view, what happens is that it changes, and these containers get bigger. And there we are. So in narrow views, what happens is that all the containers of our website go 100% wide, and the items come on top of each other, one after the other, vertically. And that looks good on narrow views, mainly on cell phones. You can download this RCD file by clicking on the link in the description under the YouTube video, or you can go and visit the rocketcaketutorials.com website. So that was it, very basic, ratios and breakpoints. I hope this little tutorial helped you. If so, I'm very happy. Have a beautiful day. Love, joy and peace. God bless you. Bye bye.